students have taken a front seat by securing meritorious positions in the university, felicitation ceremony of which is a cherished memory in our minds. Not only this, they have participated in various moot court competitions and legislative drafting competitions, both inter and intra-college levels, and made their mark in their history. The college is proud of their achievements. So now let's have a look at the glimpse of MERA group of institutions and its events.
A client counseling competition is a simulation designed as a teaching tool to give law students the chance to act as attorneys, owning the skills required for effective client interviews and the intake process. It fosters a deep understanding and interest in the preventative and counseling rules with legal practice. The competition aims to help students develop key skills such as interviewing, planning, and analysis within the advocate-client dynamic in a law office setting. It includes stages like preparation, the interview itself, a post-interview session, and feedback from distinguished judges. This competition offers a valuable platform for educational and cultural exchanges among students, law professors, and legal professionals. Now, let us recall the moments from last year's intra-college client counseling competition. Now, I request our dignitaries to kindly occupy the dais.
Moving forward, it gives me immense pleasure to introduce to you our guest, Senior Advocate Dr. 𝐂𝐥𝐻 Agarwal. Dr. 𝐂𝐥𝐻 Agarwal, a gold medalist with PhD in law and designated Senior Advocate, is a prominent lawyer, writer, and social activist. He has held prestigious positions such as Senior Additional Advocate General of the Government of Haryana and Additional Advocate General of the states of Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and Punjab. Additionally, he has served as a Special Counsel and Senior Central Government Counsel at the Supreme Court of India. Currently, Dr. Agarwal is the President of International Council of Jurists, the International Commission of Writers, Geneva, former President of the Supreme Court Bar Association, and the Chairman of the All India Bar Association. He also serves as the convener of the Indian Council of Jurists, Chairman of the Indian Legal Information Institute, and Secretary General of the All India Senior Advocates Association. He has been actively involved as an Executive Council member and General Council member of the National Law School of India University, Bangalore, and a Governing Council member of National Law University, Delhi. He is also an Academic Council member of Chanakya National Law University, Patna. Dr. Agarwal holds the distinction of being the youngest elected acting chairman and vice chairman of the Bar Council of India, the apex statutory body of lawyers in India. As a leader in legal education, he was instrumental in closing over 150 substandard law schools and establishing 140 new ones. He has also been a visiting faculty member at numerous prestigious law schools in India and abroad. Throughout his career, Dr. Agarwal has had the unique honor of representing the Government of India as a senior counsel under the leadership of Prime Ministers like Rajiv Gandhi, VP Singh, Chandrasekhar, PV Narasimha Rao, H.D. Devegowda, 𝐼𝐾 Atal Bihari Vajpayee, Dr. Manmohan Singh, and Shri Narendra Modi. Notably, he simultaneously served as Additional Advocate General for Punjab, Haryana, and Tamil Nadu, despite these states being governed by politically opposed parties. So, now I request Professor Dr. P. Singh, Principal MER Professional Law Institute, to felicitate our guest, Senior Advocate Dr. 𝐂𝐿𝐻 Agarwal.
We also have Dr. Tarannum Khan with us. Dr. Tarannum Khan began her legal education with an LLB from MDU Rohtak in 2008 and continued to pursue an LLM at the same institution in 2010. Her thirst for knowledge and dedication to the field of law led her to pursue a PhD at the prestigious Jawaharlal Nehru University. She furthered on her expertise during her time teaching at Delhi University's Law Center, where she worked as an assistant professor. Her illustrious career took a significant leap in 2012 when she was selected as a judicial magistrate in the Punjab and Haryana court. Now, I would like to welcome Professor Dr. Preet Singh Sir to kindly felicitate our guest, Dr. Tarannum Khan.
We are thankful to Professor Dr. Preet Singh, Principal, MERI Professional Law Institute, for his constant support and unconditional guidance. He has a vast teaching, research and administrative experience in various capacities in the university. More than 25 research scholars have been awarded PhD under his supervision, and more than 100 students have secured guidance from Sir regarding writing of LLM research. His research articles have been published in national and international research journals. Sir has attended, participated and organized seminars, conferences and workshops. In addition to teaching and research, he has vast administrative experience and worked as Registrar, MDU Rohtak, Director CPAS Gurugram, First Appellate Authority Financial Advisor, Hostel in Charge, Program Officer NSS, Member of ACCC, University Court and Convener of various committees constituted at university level. So, I have immense pleasure to request Dr. Amit Kumar, Assistant Professor, MERI Professional and Law Institute, to kindly come forward and felicitate Professor Dr. Preet Singh. Now I would request Professor Dr. Preet Singh Sir to kindly come forward and share his welcome address with all of us.
Good morning. All the students are looking very smart. Thank you. On behalf of the management and on behalf of the teaching faculty, I welcome Dr. 𝐂𝐨𝐿𝐴𝐵, Senior Advocate, Supreme Court of India. He is also the former President of Supreme Court Bar Association and holding a number of other positions. We are highly thankful to Dr. Agarwal for sparing his valuable time to motivate the students. I am also thankful to my dear student, Dr. Tarunam Khan, Chief Judicial Magistrate, Rohtak, who has also spared her valuable time to be present with us. Though she was not keeping good health, but when I telephoned her to be present in the competition, she readily agreed to. I also welcome the other advocates who have come here to act as a judge in the competition. I am also very thankful for the organizers of this particular team and welcome them also. और सबसे जो इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है वो है स्टूडेंट का. I welcome all the participants who will participate in the competition. As far as the topic of competition is concerned, it is very important for the budding lawyers. Now this competition, client competition. Being the student of law, you must be knowing that legal profession is a wise profession, as it helps in the delivery of justice. Client counseling consists of two words: client. Who is a client? Client is an aggrieved person who approaches an advocate for the purpose of counseling, for the purpose of legal consultation. Client may be an illiterate person, he may be an educated. How the advocate will satisfy the queries of the client, that is an important aspect. और आजकल तो अग्रवाल साहब बताएंगे कि नए एडवोकेट के पास क्लाइंट आएगा कैसे. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है. काउंसलिंग तो तब होगी ना जब उसके पास एडवोकेट पहुंचेगा. हमारे यहाँ रोहतक में अग्रवाल साहब को तो पता है. अग्रवाल साहब के बारे में बता दूं बात. He belongs to Rohtak. Rohtak जैसे शहर से जाके he become an international personality in legal field in Delhi. और इन्होंने ये बात सिद्ध कर दी कि ये कहा जाता है कि एक रोज की 100 कोट की. वहाँ सुप्रीम कोर्ट में बड़े धुरंधर बैठे हैं, उनके बीच में जाकर इलेक्शन लड़ना, सफलता प्राप्त करना, दैट इज नॉट एन इजी टास्क. तो दोबारा से मैं अग्रवाल साहब का स्वागत करता हूँ और कामना करता हूँ कि भविष्य में भी इसी तरह से जब भी मौका मिले हमारे बच्चों को गाइड करें. तो मैं बात कर रहा था कि अग्रवाल साहब बताएंगे क्लाइंट कैसे आएगा, फिर उसकी काउंसलिंग कैसे शुरू होगी. आजकल तो कंसेप्ट है हाउ टू ट्रैप ए क्लाइंट. क्लाइंट को कैसे ट्रैप किया जाए, और कैसे उसको बांध कर रखा जाए ताकि क्लाइंट भागे नहीं, क्योंकि क्लाइंट को बांध कर रखना भी बड़ा मुश्किल का काम है। तो दोबारा से मैं सभी स्टूडेंट का, पार्टिसिपेंट का, बाहर से जो जज आए हैं, हमारी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग टीम का और सभी वॉलंटियर्स का और हमारे खासकर जो हमारे वाइस प्रेसिडेंट हैं प्रोफेसर ललित अग्रवाल, उमेश गुप्ता जी का सभी का वेलकम भी करता हूँ, उनका धन्यवाद भी करता हूँ टू मेक दिस प्रोग्राम सक्सेस। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, sir. Now we would like to welcome Senior Advocate Dr. 𝐂𝐨𝐿 Agarwala to please come and share his precious guidance with all of us.
कितने मिनट मैडम? हाउ मच टाइम? ऐसे नहीं है, मुझे ज़्यादा दें बच्चे। Respected Dr. Tarannum Khan, distinguished Chief Judicial Magistrate of my native place Rohtak, respected Professor Dr. King in the legal field since long, holding different positions in university and law school run by the University of MD University. My dear friend Satyendra Dahiya from Parts. I am delighted to be associated with this second intra-college Client Counselling Quest organized by Mary Professional and Law Institute in this remote area. I am happy that teams from different parts of not only of Haryana but other parts of the country have joined this quest. This is a welcome step so that the students can become successful lawyer. Rightly observed by Dr. Singh that first of all, you should get the client, and it is very difficult in this competition. Not practicing. If all would have been practicing, then situation would have been very, very tough for new entrant in the legal profession. Now question is how you can get the client. Basic point is that you should be known that you are a lawyer. If public is not knowing that you are a lawyer, how they will come to you? This is impossible. It is good that when you are attending the law college, you are wearing this black coat, white shirt, and when you are going for internship, that time also, we the lawyers may be not putting black coat in our office, but my interns who are coming, they always come in right dress. This is good step. Why? When you are coming by train, by bus, by metro, people see you wearing this. Then they feel that you may be a lawyer. Always, not only in the office you should wear. When you start from your house, going to college, going to your senior in an office or court, you should always wear. And one thing more, the students who have gone to courts, you must have seen the shopkeeper selling books, selling forms. They are also having one law diary. You should, being a student also, you should keep that diary in your hand. Earlier we used to keep that for the purpose of knowing the court fees, knowing the basic sections, to whenever somebody asks, you can see that and check. Today you have the facility of internet. You can see from Google, but still you should have that diary. Because you have seen Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar. How you recognize Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar? Anybody can tell you? What diary? No, you are wrong. Constitution. Because he is treated as a framer of the Constitution of India. Because statutes are so many. In statutes you can't differentiate. Photo you can differentiate. In statute it is not. So Bhimrao Ambedkar is known when he is having a copy of the Constitution in his hand. So likewise, if you have this law diary in your hand, then your co-passenger in metro or this electric scooter, three-wheeler, when you are traveling, they will know that you are a lawyer. Although you are a student today. When you are a student, people should feel that you are a lawyer. Then only they will approach you. Clients engage a lawyer who seems to be known to them, whether being a co-passenger in the bus, train, metro, three-wheeler. Nobody wants to engage a lawyer who is not known. Because they feel, the client feel, if I go to an unknown lawyer, he will take my money, he will not work. This is the general tendency in the minds of every human being. I have been in Bar Council. We know how many complaints we are receiving from the clients that lawyer they will be. And you are a student also. Your course, BLLB or BBA, whatever is your course. And in bracket you should write ST, misguiding, misleading. You are writing BLLB within bracket STU. And whoever you meet, shake hand with right hand and with left hand hand over the visiting card. And one visiting card given by you to someone which may be costing ₹1 will fetch you ₹1 lakh. Whether it may be after 2 years, in 6 months, or after 10 years. Always give. Even if you are meeting somebody after 2 months, and earlier you have given that visiting card, still hand over. He will say, I am having the card. No, there is a little change in this card. Although there is no change in that card. And always give your residential address. Not only email address and mobile number. If you are giving the residential or office address, then a client feel that he can rely upon you. When you are only moving with mobile phone, email you can use throughout world, the client can't catch hold of you. When people purchase goods from a shop, that they feel in case there is some lacuna in the goods, they can come and ask the shopkeeper kindly change it. Because that shop will be there. So if you are giving the address, residential or office address, client has some faith. If you just meet outside the gate of the court, who will believe you? If you hand over the original document, tomorrow you will be not traceable. The client want to engage a lawyer who has some base, who they can catch hold, whom they know that this is the house. They can catch hold of the lawyer if he is not doing the work. He is not properly working. These are little tips how you can be in a position to get the cases. How people will know that you are a lawyer. Legal profession is very tough. Toughest profession in the world. It requires hard work. It is not a royalty. Client has come, then the question of counseling comes. Today, when there are so many lawyers, so there is so much competition, and client is not coming to you only. Today, client is having the facility of Google. From Google, he dials the number of so many. Now you have to retain. So, why toughest? Getting the client. Then retaining the client, what Dr. Singh has pointed out. Otherwise, he has come, you have served him tea, spent rupees 5 or 10 rupees, wasted your time and he runs away. So, best way is, because he will take your test. When he telephones, you should ask him, what is the matter? Just he will say कि ये प्रॉपर्टी का झगड़ा है, हमारी दुकान खाली करानी है, तो पूछना कि तुम मकान मालिक हो या तो वो किराएदार हो, ये पूछ के जब आने दो. In the meantime, prepare search law under the Rent Control Act. Because you are aware what type of case he is having. If you are able to give satisfactory answer, he will engage you. If you can't answer anything, then he is not going to engage you. So retention of the client, once he has come to your office, your house, your chamber. So, in advance, whenever he approaches, you should ask him what type of case. So that in the meantime of 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, you are fully equipped with the law on that subject. And once you tell that this is the law, and maybe falsely, you should say कि such type of matter I dealt with, I got the, if he is a tenant, tell that I got the house, the tenant evicted on the ground of personal necessity. Then he has a confidence on you. And one thing more, when you are a lawyer, you are new lawyer, you actually don't have any case. But you should go to court daily. If court time is 10 a.m., leave your house at 9 and have 7-8 files in your hand. Just I will be laughing. you have to post that you are having daily 5-6 cases. Nobody will ask you. But they will see nearby shopkeeper, your neighbors. This lawyer is going to court. Daily he is having, in morning he is going with 6-7 cases. Coming in the evening, they file. It means he has cases. Although in fact, you are not having a single case. Because पैसा पैसे को खींचता है, केस को खींचेगा। ये दिखना चाहिए कि केस है इन पे। जब ये और आदमी आते हैं, जब दिखे तो कोई केस नहीं है। बाप भी अपने लड़के को एंगेज नहीं करेगा, रिश्तेदार नहीं करेगा, उसी को करता जिस पे केस हैं। ये हाईवे पे आप देखते हो, ढाबे हैं बहुत सारे। आप जा रहे हो, रिलीजियस जगह जा रहे हो, कार में जा रहे हो, आपको खाना है, आप कहाँ खाते हो? जहाँ पे 5-6 क्यों? इसलिए खाते हो इसका खाना अच्छा होगा कि और भी खा रहे हैं। खाली दुकान पे, ढाबे पे, होटल में आप नहीं खाते। नहीं तो खाली वाले का पता नहीं 500 का खाना जो सब्जी बचे वही गरम करके दे देगा। तो वकालत चलाने के लिए मेहनत करनी है। आया हुआ केस वापसी चला जाएगा। आना भी मुश्किल है, परंतु उससे ज्यादा मुश्किल है काम आने के बाद उसको रिटेन करना और उसको एग्जीक्यूशन करना। क्योंकि आप जब ड्राफ्टिंग करते हो, उसके once you draft, you file a petition in court, then the counsel of other party, counsel of the respondent or the defendant will be filing his counter affidavit written statement. In that written statement, he will be raising so many preliminary objections. This suit is barred by limitation. This is misjoinder and non-joinder. Necessary parties have not been implemented. Those parties have been implemented which are not required to be implemented. So the other counsel will take your test, will point out your lacunas, which will be harmful. Your client, if really the counsel of the other party in the written statement had pointed out real preliminary objections which are fatal to your suit, your client will run away. And not only run away, at the deathbed, on his deathbed, he will say to his legal ears, kindly don't go successfully, plead his case. Then he has a confidence. At deathbed, he will say, my son, if you have any legal problem, that lawyer is very good. Go to him. So these are the little tips. Now, when you are talking to the client, today so many lawyers tell that 100% I will get the desired result. Never say that. Once you will say, you will retain that client. But ultimately you are a loser. And the same situation will arise. The father will be telling the kids, don't go to this lawyer. Always say, I will do my best. You have a good case, say good case. Never say 100%. And never say that no, you have no case. If you being a counsel, you say you don't have a case, that 200% is not going to engage you. If you will say you have a good case, but not 100%. I will do my best. Rest is with the mood of the court and desire of the Lord. Then client will come to you, will remain with you. So Madam has to also go. I have also. So I will come on next occasion when we will give lecture. What type of student should go for litigation? What type of student should go for to be a judge or as lecturer or in public sector? I will explain. What are the plus point and what are the negative points? Students want to become judge. They want to do first LLM. And after that they will try that is foolishness. Immediately after passing law, you should appear in the examination, and if you have decided that you have to be a judge, then from today itself you should work in that direction. And never read after 11 p.m. Sleep by 11. Night is for sleeping. Don't play with the natural system. If you study after 11, then like this, ये जो रामायण चल रहा है दशहरा और ये रात भर रामलीला देखी और फिर कहते हैं कि ये राम कौन था और रावण कौन था, क्योंकि रात को आपके दिमाग में नहीं बैठती थी, आपको झटके आ रहे हैं नींद के और उस टाइम पढ़ रहे हो तो वो याद नहीं रहता। जो पढ़ रहे दैट शुड बी क्वालिटी स्टडी। नेवर स्टडी मोर देन 2 hours at one point of time. Do other thing whatever you want for 1 hour so that you are refreshed. You can remember and imagine that situation. कि person killed other person by sharp weapon. That you should remember what type of sharp weapon. Imagine that. Then you will not forget your death. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.